exhale, we let go of everything that is not serving you anymore. Breathe gentle. Stay with the breath. Long exhale. Connecting with the music, connecting with the sound. Allow your body to relax, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing the tummy, your face. Relaxing your mind. Five more. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Inviting the new. Letting go of the old. We have been given this gift of life. And with that, we have been given the choice to live our lives the way we want. We always have a choice. And if we listen to our heart, it will always guide us in the right direction.